English speaking course. Daily routine. Good morning. It's 7 o'clock. Time to wake up. Morning, Anna. Did you sleep well? Morning, Lisa. I slept okay, but I had a weird dream.
Weird dream? Tell me about it.
I dreamt I was flying, but then I started falling. It was strange.
Maybe that says you're very stressed.
You have a lot of work to do on school projects these days. Maybe. After the projects, I guess I need to rest. How about you? Any plans today?
Just some stuff to do at school.
Okay, let's go have breakfast.
What are we having for breakfast, Anna?
I think I'll make some toast with butter and jam and a glass of orange juice.
Sounds good. I'll have the same. Let's prepare the toast together.
Sure. You handle the toaster, I'll get the jam and butter.
Deal. How many slices do you want?
2 for me. How about you?
I'll take 2 as well. Did you study late last night?
Yeah, a bit. Just trying to stay on top of everything. This is very important to me. What about you? Did you finish that novel you were reading?
I did. The ending was a surprise. I didn't see it coming at all.
Now I really want to read it. Maybe I'll try when I'm less busy.
Oh, the toast is ready. Let's butter it up.
Do you want a lot of butter or just a little?
Just a little, thanks. And some strawberry jam, please.
Coming right up.
Here you are.
Let's try it.
This is delicious. I love toast and jam.
It's good to start a new day.
I'm happy that you like it. Do you need any help with your project?
Thanks for offering, but I think we've got it under control. Tom and Sarah are great teammates.
That's good to hear.
Hey, Anna. Ready to work on the project?
Yes, let's get started.
We need to finish the research part today. I brought some books from the library.
Great. I'll start writing the introduction.
This is going well. We're a good team.
Absolutely. Let's keep it up.
Anna, can you check this paragraph?
Sure. Let me see. It looks good, but maybe we should add more details here.
Anna, could you help me with this chart? I'm not sure if I got the data right.
Of course, Tom. Let's look at it together.
Tom, what do you think about this source? Is it reliable?
Let's cross-check it with another book to be sure.
Good idea. I'll look it up online too.
I found another book that has similar information. Maybe we could use both sources.
That sounds perfect. We can compare and add the best parts from each.
How are we doing on the timeline? Are we on schedule?
I think we're doing fine. If we keep up this pace, we should finish in time.
Yes, let's keep pushing. We're almost there.
What should we eat for lunch?
How about a salad and a sandwich?
Sounds good to me.
I'll have the chicken salad and a side of sweet potato fries.
Okay. Wait for me a minute and I'll be right back. I'm back.
Thank you so much, Tom.
They look so yummy.
Yeah. So, any plans for tonight?
Yeah, we're having a party tonight. You should come.
That sounds fun. Count me in.
I'll be there too. What time does it start?
Around 6 p.m.? It's gonna be a blast.
I'm looking forward to it. What should I bring?
Just bring yourself in a good mood.
Anna, what music will we have at the party?
Oh, I made a playlist with all our favorite songs. We can also take requests.
Perfect. I love dancing to good music.
Should I bring some snacks or drinks?
That would be great, Tom. Thanks.
Do you guys think we'll have time to play some games?
Absolutely. I have a few fun games in mind.
I can't wait. It's gonna be so much fun.
This is gonna be so much fun. I'm glad everyone could make it.
Me too. Let's enjoy the evening. This party is awesome.
Yeah, I'm having a blast.
I'm glad you guys are here. Let's play some games.
How about we play a round of werewolf? It's always intense and fun.
Great idea. Yes, I love werewolf.
All right, everyone close your eyes. Werewolves, wake up and choose your victim.
Anna, you're so good at this game.
Thanks. I've had a lot of practice.
What's next? How about some karaoke?
Yes, I love karaoke.
Great idea. Let's put on some music and dance.
Tom, your singing is amazing.
Thanks, Anna. I've practiced this song at home many times.
Come on, guys. Let's take a group photo to remember this night.
This is going to be a great memory.
Absolutely. We should print this and add it to our photo wall. That's so nice. Alright, see you again, guys. I was really happy tonight.
Me too. Thanks for a great night.
Anytime, Sarah.
Goodbye. See you guys again.
Don't forget to practice your English every day to improve your English level. Watch the video for 1 week. Try to think and speak in English every time. Listen and repeat the lesson out loud to improve your listening and speaking skills fast. Thanks for watching. Please give us a like, share, and comment. Click here for more useful videos.